Why don't seniors play hide and seek? Because nobody will panic when they can't find them. They'll just assume they found the absolute best shower and got lost in relaxation. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best showers for seniors. Tip 1. Install grab bars. One of the primary risks for seniors when taking a shower is the potential for slipping and falling. Installing grab bars can help to mitigate this risk by providing something sturdy to hold on to. These bars should be installed not just in the shower itself, but also within reach of the toilet and sink. Tip 2. Use a shower chair. Standing for an extended period can be challenging for some seniors. A shower chair provides a place to sit, reducing the risk of slips and falls. It also allows seniors to shower independently if they struggle with mobility. Tip 3. Install a handheld shower head. A handheld shower head can be a useful tool for those who intend to use a shower chair. It allows seniors to direct the flow of water where they need it, improving the overall showering experience. Tip 4. Keep the shower area clear. Clutter can be a slipping hazard. Keeping the shower area clear also makes it easier to move around, especially for those who have mobility issues. It also ensures that necessary items like soap and shampoo are within easy reach. Tip 5. Install non-slip mats. Besides having non-slip mats in the shower, it is also essential to place them right outside the shower area. They provide an additional grip, which significantly reduces the risk of slipping on wet floors. Tip 6. Adjust water temperature. Seniors often have more sensitive skin, and hot water can potentially cause burns. To prevent this, lower the maximum water temperature. It might also be helpful to install an anti-scald device to keep the temperature from suddenly fluctuating. Tip 7. Maintain good lighting. Proper lighting is essential in the bathroom, especially for seniors. This helps reduce the risk of falls and other accidents by ensuring that they can clearly see all areas of the bathroom. Tip 8. Use easy-to-reach shelves. Installing shelves at an accessible height ensures that seniors won't have to bend or strain to reach shower essentials, further minimizing the risk of falls. Tip 9. Regularly clean and maintain the shower area. A clean shower area is less likely to develop mold or other slippery substances. Regular maintenance ensures all fixtures and safety installations are in good working condition. Tip 10. Use simple shower controls. Complex or hard-to-turn knobs can be difficult for seniors, especially those with arthritis. Lever-style handles or touch controls are much easier for them to operate. Tip 11. Consider a walk-in shower. Stepping over the tub edge can be challenging and risky for some seniors. Walk-in showers or tubs with doors provide an easy, step-free entrance that greatly increases safety.